So today I'll be using this beauty blender that was sent to me by Instylish. So it's multiple function makeup sponge. It has two inside, came with two. Let's bring them out. The packaging is wow. So that's the name of the brand, Instylish. Then the sponge, they came into their package in this cute stuff here, and I like it because of this. You can see this angle that can really enter everywhere, the bottom of your eyes. You don't need to stress yourself. And this one too, this one has this smaller side that you can really come into inside your inner corner, and this side too, and it's very soft. So in case you're interested in getting this, I'm going to put all the info about their website on the description box, so you check that out. I'm just going to brush my brows. I'm using this brow pencil from Sephora. So I'm going to prime my face, and I'll be using this primer. I'm just going to apply that on my face. Using this brush from Juvia's Place because I don't want to use my hand. I'm just going to apply and put that on my face. I'll put a generous amount. Put a generous amount on my face. Put a concealer on my lid. This will serve as a base for my eyeshadow. Using this palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to take this brown shade. I'm just going to apply it here on my lid. Take this brush on that same palette. I'm going to take this darker shade, put it on top. Then from this palette, I'm going to take this dark red with that same brush and press it on top. So I'm going to take this smaller brush, take this shade little, and use that to blend the upper side of it. From this palette, I'm going to take this shade with this brush, then use it to blend the upper side. To add this shade on top. So I'm going to add mascara. I'll be adding this mascara to my lash. This one is Volume Revlon Volume Amazing. So I just wet my sponge. Now immediately I wet it, I saw that the sponge doubled the size. You can see it's very big. It was small. Immediately I applied water on it. It became very big and softer. So I'm going to use this to apply my foundation today. So for today's look, I'll be using this foundation from Juvia's Place. This one is in the shade Havana 420. So this is what I'll be using today. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Oh guys, this beauty blender is so soft. You see the way it's not taking away your product, it's not sucking your product. Meanwhile, it's pushing the product inside your skin. It's just pushing the product inside my skin without taking it. Look at it. Look at it. The little I took went round my face. Wow. You see the product? It did not suck the product. It just spread the product all over my face. Not like some beauty blenders. When you're using them, they take away your product, they suck your product. But this one did not suck my product. Rather, it helps to spread my product. And like what I said, you can use it as you're using it. It goes under your eye without any problem. You can see. Oh wow. Guys, I must tell you, this beauty blender is, you need to get this. See, it's not sucking my product. The one pump I used went around. The little product you apply on it go around your face. Wow. I advise you guys to get this beauty blender. See how flawless this beauty blender apply my foundation, makes my foundation look so flawless. Wow guys, whew, you need to try this beauty blender. You need to try it. I'm going to conceal with this concealer from Juvia's Place. This is I Am Magic 2. This shade is 18. I'm still going to use the beauty blender. Let's see. Wow guys, this beauty blender is magic. One thing I like is so soft and it does not suck your product, and I like it because it can go in as far as you want, your under your eye. You guys can see. Look at the little product I apply. It just helped me to spread it, diffuse it all over. Wow. Set all that with this setting powder from Fenty Beauty. This one is in the shade Caramel. I'll be using these lashes from Fashion Eyelash. I'm going to move back to the eyes. I'm going to use a black eyeliner. This one is from Sleek. This Twist Up Eye Pencil 133. take a flat brush like this, I'll go back to this shade, this brownish shade under. Go back to this brush I use. I'm just going to use that to like blend it. Just press that on my tear duct. This is just to open my eyes the more. I'm going to I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lash. So I'm going to use this lipstick from Sephora. This is Cream Lip Satin. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys like it, and please, before you go, don't forget to check out Instylish website. The sponge are very good. Like I said, see, their name is on it. You can see it, Instylish. That was the name of this company. So try and check them out. Your first purchase, you're going to get 10% off. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.